1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? That didn't work? Well, I know it's something easy. Let me try this. Hey, give me my phone! What? Come on, I almost had it. Oh my gosh, now it's disabled for 30 minutes. I can't watch YouTube now. Oops, my bad. 2 can play that game. Kayla, stop! No, if I can't use my phone for 30 minutes, then you're not gonna be able to either. But I'm still grounded because of you. Okay, why do I care? Cause mom and dad took my phone away. So whose phone is this?
Hey kids, have you seen my phone? If I miss this meeting in 2 minutes, I'm gonna be fired. Oh, thank goodness. I thought we were gonna be homeless. Disabled? For 2 days!
I'm sorry! We're homeless now?